For Mr. Harsh K. Jha, the Managing Director of Tata Metallics Limited, all these hold true. Since his journey as a TMLian began in the year 2000, a natural leader who led Tata Metallics from strength to strength, inspiring the TMLians to dream big and deliver their best. For Mr. Harsh Jha, who is also the chairman of Tata Metallics Kubota Pipes Limited, a JV promoted by Tata Metallics, Kubota Corporation and Metal One, the innings with Tata Metallics has been truly a very fulfilling one. And in the process, Mr. Jha has truly emerged as a coveted personality who leads the metals industry right from the front.
Leadership is primarily that of credibility and trust. Credibility with respect to person's action, and trust, which is the natural outcome of the credibility of a person. Another very important component of leadership is that of being a visionary who is able to see tomorrow and bring that tomorrow into today.
Mr. Jha did his schooling at Jamshedpur, engineering from BIT Sindri, and postgraduate diploma in business management from XLRI Jamshedpur.
My father was a teacher, and therefore the teaching community at that time, those who were in the field of education, were living by certain values, and therefore the value system becomes very strong for individuals. And that was an environment in which we got trained, brought up, educated. It was interestingly a place where all the teachers used to stay together. So there was also a community of teachers influencing the minds of young boys and girls, and that was a time I was in Jamshedpur.
Mr. Jha असल में ये बहुत शांत स्वभाव के हैं। उनको बिल्कुल हल्ला गुल्ला बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है। उनको जो भी हम बोलते हैं वो ठंडे दिमाग से, धीरे से उसका जवाब होता है। ये गाना सुनना पसंद करते हैं, गार्डनिंग का भी इनका अच्छा नॉलेज है, पसंद भी करते हैं।
He does not kind of get disturbed about adversities in life. He does give it a deep thought and kind of tries to come out of a situation in the most comprehensive manner. Never say die attitude, a very relaxed person and highly composed.
Mr. Harsh K. Jha has always been a visionary leader, his thrust being on improving plant performance, bringing in efficiency in processes and systems. Mr. Jha's marketing mantra has been magical.
Customer centricity has to be the focus of the organization. An organization cannot exist unless it serves and delights the customer.
I found Mr. Harsh Jha as a true leader, cool, composed from outside, but very tough inside, who takes decisions and really gets the team moving.
To small-scale entrepreneurs like us, Mr. Harsh K. Jha is termed as Godbrother.
Mr. Jha also initiated differentiation of pig iron as a product by taking up branding of pig iron. His vision to brand pig iron resulted in the birth of Tata FA in collaboration with IIT Kharagpur and Tata Steel R&D. Colored pig iron through introduction of pigments was also thought of. Mr. Jha has always been a thinker, with an extremely creative mind, inspiring people to think beyond the box and to do things differently.
Yeah, Mr. Jha has always been strategic and creative in his approach. The vision for Tata Metaliks, bringing tomorrow first, itself bears testimony for it. The ideas of getting into magnesium business or the iron powder business would have occurred to nobody else excepting Mr. Jha. Mr. Jha's choices of colors, the positioning the artifacts, the architecture of guest house or even the Metaliks house bear testimony to his forward-thinking approach.
Mr. Jha has been a strong believer of Tata Business Excellence model, and he strived hard to bring in a culture of excellence within the organization. It is under his leadership that Tata Metaliks received the highest Delta Award, as also received the coveted GRDQV award.
We were $20 million company in 2000, and thereafter we became almost $250 million company by 2008-9 or maybe about 10-11. Obviously, the next question is, where do we go from here? And in a way, we articulated the collective desire and the wishes of all those who were in TML that we need to look at $1 billion turnover of Tata Metaliks.
Mr. Jha always believed in a win-win situation. This is something that he always believed in and he followed. You went to him with a problem, you had a solution. He was available, he was there 24/7 for you.
एक बार उन्होंने हमारे प्लांट का विजिट किया और हमें 2 सजेशन दिए. हम लोगों ने उसे अमली जामा पहनाया और हमारा प्लांट प्रॉफिट में आ गया. वास्तव में उनकी दूरदर्शिता काबिले तारीफ थी.
He had the immense quality to get performance from ordinary people. He used to give challenges, and what was more important, he used to take personal responsibility for the failures.
Mr. Jha is a change maker who changed the skyline of the Tata Metaliks.
এমডি সাহেব আসার পর আমাদের সেকেন্ড ফার্নিশ হয়, এরপর আমরা মহারাষ্ট্রে একটা প্ল্যান্ট কিনি, এছাড়াও আমাদের ডিআই পাইপ প্ল্যান্ট তৈরি হয় এবং এমডি সাহেবের লাস্ট যে অবদান সেটা হচ্ছে আমাদের সিন্টার প্ল্যান্ট।
I always remember his encouragement on the global warming carbon footprint issue.
I have got lot of many things from Mr. Jha in last 13 years, especially mentioned about TPM.
It was Mr. Jha's dynamic leadership. We have replaced the blast furnace from bell machine to bell-less top, which is giving huge production with minimum coke rate.
Reaching out to the community, lending a helping hand has always been Mr. Jha's firm belief.
Sadbhavana was born out of this desire to fulfill the needs of the community, and we therefore chose to focus attention on 3 major areas: employability, education and health.
Mr. Jha gave us his holistic solution with all our problems, whether it is work-related issue or whether it is personal-related issues.
He has shown great compassion for people at villages. There has been great initiative towards the community service at Tata Metaliks.
ওনার সময়োপযোগী সিদ্ধান্তগুলোর জন্য টাটা মেটালিক্স সার্বিকভাবে অনেক উন্নতি ঘটিয়েছে।
Mr. Jha is very conscious about the electrical safeties and the environments also.
चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना.
Tata Metaliks is a great company. It is not great because its turnover is 1500 crores or that it has won GRDQV award or it has the distinction of having being awarded 3 times the Maximum Delta Improvement Award. It is great because people here are great. And how do they become great? They become great by doing things differently, by making the place an inspired place, by their contribution, by their energy, by their enthusiasm. And this distinguishes Tata Metallics from other companies in our own group. I see it very distinctly that going forward, Tata Metallics will further enhance its capability, it would enhance its position, and would come out of the difficulty that it had gone through in the recent past. Future is glorious. आप सबका भविष्य अत्यंत उज्जवल और दीप्तमान है. हमें पूरा विश्वास है कि जिस ज्योति को हम लोगों ने जलाया टाटा मेटालिक्स में, वो आगे भी ऐसे ही प्रज्वलित होती रहेगी.
और सुनी सी लगे तुम्हें जीवन की.
A true leader has the confidence to stand alone, the courage to make tough decisions, and the compassion to listen to the needs of others. These words do describe Mr. Harsh K. Jha, who is leaving his memorable footprints behind for the entire Tata Metallics team to follow. A true visionary, a brilliant mentor, a towering personality. Sir, we do salute your spirit, your passion, and your eternal quest for achieving excellence.
कभी अलविदा ना कहना.